Morning students. Today we are going to discuss the about the mineral and power resources of geography lesson 25. So in this chapter we will discuss about that what are natural resources, extraction of minerals, sources of energy, conservation of sources of energy, important minerals, and classification of mineral resources. So now one by one we will discuss all the topics. Now let's start from this mineral resources. So what are mineral resources? A mineral is a naturally occurring solid, liquid or gaseous material in or on the earth crust. It is created by natural process without any human interference. And mineral resources are valuable natural resources. Things that we use every day, from salt to computer, are made from minerals and other resources that have been extracted from the earth. And mineral resources are non-renewable and include metals such as iron, copper and aluminum. And the next is the classification of mineral resources. So mineral resources can be classified as organic minerals and inorganic minerals. Coal and petroleum are come in the category of organic minerals. They are mineral fuels. And inorganic minerals, rest of the mineral like gold, silver, aluminum, etc., are called inorganic minerals. And inorganic minerals again classified into two: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. So what are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals like metals in raw form are called metallic minerals, and they are found as ores such as iron, bauxite and manganese ore. So the ores are extracted from the earth through mining, and metals are then separated, from the ore through smelting. Now, what is smelting? Smelting means it is a process of separating the metal from the ore by heating it to a temperature higher than the melting point on that metal. Next is metallic minerals can be divided into two: ferrous and non-ferrous. What are ferrous minerals? Like iron is an example of ferrous minerals, and non-ferrous mineral. In non-ferrous minerals, gold, silver, copper, lead are the examples of the non-ferrous minerals. Next is non-metallic minerals. So what are non-metallic minerals? The non-metallic minerals are those which do not contain any kind of metals like sand, limestone, salt, gypsum, etc. So fuels like coal and petroleum are also come in the category of non-metallic minerals. So students, this is all about the metallic and non-metallic minerals. So tomorrow we will discuss about the extraction of minerals and about the distribution and the uses of minerals. Thank you.